Mom loves her morning coffee, but she has no idea what's about to happen today. I had a crazy idea. What if I built her a surprise barista station right into the kitchen? As soon as she left for work, I will start the project. Now, here's the problem. The kitchen shelves? Outdated, messy, and not barista-approved. So, let's fix that the only way I know how. Kaboom. Fake, of course. You can make this coffee station on any countertop. Here is how. This is the wood I'll be using. I'll also reveal my trick for drilling perfect outlet holes. Let's turn up the music and start building before Mom gets home. Start by measuring and cutting all the panels to the right height to fit your kitchen. By the way, what's your favorite coffee drink? Let me know in the comments. I need to hurry. Just got a call from Mom. She's coming home early. Here's my secret trick for drilling perfect outlet holes. I can't wait to see her reaction when she sees the coffee station. The outlet holes fits perfect. I hope you enjoy this method. Now, I'm adding some LED lights with a sleek, modern design. Time to install the countertop on the coffee bar and secure it in place. Finally, I'm adding 2 shelves to complete the setup. Thanks for watching. See you next time.